Hello and thank you for viewing. This is a gorgeous Brooklyn Heights studio apartment that I know you're going to love. It has amazing amenities. The greatest of which, if you ask me, is this washer-dryer combo. So you can say goodbye to the laundromat with this nifty device right here in your own unit. The brand new stainless steel appliances include a built-in microwave and a dishwasher. The cabinets are absolutely beautiful, and you've got great cabinet space there. Counter space as well for your cooking. Gorgeous, pristine hardwood floors. A wonderfully modernized bathroom. The Vanity. Look at that, isn't that a looker? You have a tub rather than just a stand-up shower. Windows all over the place, so the natural light in this apartment is immense. You have a video monitor there. That's a great safety precaution, so that when visitors come, you can make sure they are who they say they are. The closet is an excellent size. It's about 4 1/4 feet wide. You have an air conditioning unit there. The living space is great for a studio apartment. It's about 16.5 by 10 feet. It's located in the Brooklyn Heights neighborhood where you have access to all of the transportation, shopping, movie theaters. It's just one subway stop from Manhattan. Let me know if you'd like to see this unit up close and personal. Thank you so much for viewing, and have a wonderful day.